The line number not available error on T-Mobile typically arises during device activation or profile synchronization. This happens when your device fails to retrieve your assigned mobile number from T-Mobile's servers. Root causes include mismatches in SIM card data, network authentication issues, or incorrect APN settings. With T-Mobile's shift to eSIMs, these virtual profiles can be prone to data lags. This is a client-server synchronization problem where the device and T-Mobile systems aren't communicating correctly during activation or profile setup. To resolve the line number not available error, start with basic troubleshooting. Restart your device. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off. Ensure your SIM card is properly inserted, if applicable. Update the T-Mobile app, which now includes an enhanced fix activation wizard. Manually set your APN to fast.tmobile.com. If problems persist, try resetting your network settings. For eSIM users, ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network during activation. If all else fails, contact T-Mobile support for a forced sync of your line. According to T-Mobile, their customer service logs indicate a 22% drop in activation-related tickets from 2024 to 2025 due to improved 5G infrastructure and real-time data syncing.